Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Anaconda prompt to begin installation and setup. Use a clear Conda command line. Type conda create ndata python equals 3.9 to make a project environment. Activate the environment with conda activate data before installing packages. Install Jupyterlab by running conda install c conda forge Jupyterlab inside the active environment. Alternatively, open Anaconda Navigator and click Launch next to Jupyterlab to start the application in your default browser. This launches the Jupyterlab interface and prepares it for creating notebooks and terminals. Set up kernels so notebooks use the correct environment and dependencies. Install a kernel for an environment by running python m ipykernel install username myenv. Then open File, choose New, and select Notebook to create a new file. Select the kernel named myenv from the kernel chooser in the top right. Use Ctrl+Enter to run a cell and Shift+Enter to run and advance. Use Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette and find commands quickly within Jupyterlab. Use the file browser on the left to organize notebooks, data, and scripts. Jupyterlab autosaves by default every 120 seconds to reduce accidental work loss. Export notebooks to HTML or PDF from the File menu for sharing and reproducibility. Keep Jupyterlab updated by running conda update c conda forge Jupyterlab to apply improvements and security fixes. Enhance productivity with extensions like Jupyterlab LSB for code intelligence and variable inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.